My name is Rongrong Angkaew. I'm a postdoctoral researcher at Conservation Ecology Program, King Mongkut University of Technology, Thonburi, Thailand. So my main focus is about the impact of the mist netting on birds across Asia. Start from Pakistan to all Southeast Asian country and including some East Asian countries. In this project, I will focus on the impact of the mistnet by using available data from YouTube or Facebook, online social media channel. And also I will use the data that was submitted in the iNaturalist project that we created since August 2021 to try to encourage people to help us to collect the data about the tangled and the birds the observations of the bird that get caught by the mistnet to be submitted in our online database platforms. I think one of the biggest challenges is how to suggest the practical management options or alternative for people, because it's one of the wildlife conflict area as well. เวลามาเราจะเห็นมีตะข่ายดักนกอยู่บ่อยครั้งอะค่ะมันจะเป็นบ่อเลี้ยงปลาเลี้ยงสัตว์น้ำ This area is one of the most ecologically important in the central plains of Thailand. The landscape encompass the rice fields area, aquacultural area, and the natural wetland, which functions like natural flooded plains, which is very important for birds and other wildlife.
My name is Wich'yanan Limparungpatthanakij. I'm a reviewer for eBird and as well as a curator on iNaturalist. อีกบ่อหนึ่งข้างหน้าก็เหมือนจะมีตะข่ายแล้วก็มีอีกตัวหนึ่งหนูเจออีกตัวหนึ่งที่อยู่ฝั่งทางขวามือสุดดูจากตัวสีดำปีกสีน้ำตาลนะครับแต่ก็ไม่แน่ใจนะครับคิดว่าอาจจะเป็นกระปูดใหญ่หรืออันนี้ก็จะเป็นนกพริกนี่ก็แน่นอนไม่ได้มาทำลายผลผลิตที่เป็นปลาหรือกุ้งที่เขาเลี้ยงไว้ก็เป็นนกที่มาติดตะข่ายตาย There are many types of data that scientists or researchers alone cannot really compile them and so that so the general public comes in and plays an important role, and the fact that in all these science platforms there are on eBird, there are reviewers who set the checklist filters, and then they have to go through reviewing process in order to be validated. แต่ว่าควรจะไปกดเลือกว่ามันคืออะไรคือในช่องที่มีให้เลือก
Two main benefits that I can see is the first one is it's impossible for us as one group of researchers to collect all the data of the whole countries or the whole Asia by ourselves. It's kind of impossible. The help from local community will help us to see a big picture and also the more precise pictures from the context in the area.
Anyone can submit the data to these platforms without having to have a degree in science or anything. Any hobbyist, any layman just interested in nature and happened to look at some organisms and snap a photo and put it online. And that's already a contribution to the database.
We need to talk together and work together and find the solutions that best for farmers and also work for biodiversity. And it's need the help from all parts local community, government, and also university part as a researcher or data provider to help together to solve this issue. At the same time, we can increase the public awareness. Like when they share, when they join the project, they will try to think more and learn more about some things in their local communities, and also they will have more passion, more appreciation, and also they will think more about conservation.